In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to fix if your iPad does not allow you to split your screen. So you on your iPad iOS 26 updates, you have to open your setting first of all. And once you open the settings, right now it's in the window mode. So let me make it full mode. And now you have to guys open your setting and just go to this multitasking and gesture option. And if you want to use split mode on the iPad OS 26, you have to choose this option, Windows app. Now you can make your iPad look like window. Once you enable this option, now you can make any application as window, and you can swipe up from the top and tap on Windows, tap on move and size, and you can choose right option from here, so it will shift your application towards the right. You can swipe down to make it little better. Now if you want to split this app with another application like this, so it will also open in the full mode. You can make it full mode. Now if you want to make it again if you want to split this also, you have to tap swipe up from the top, tap on Windows and tap on move and size, and just tap on left towards left. So this is how guys you can make your apps in split mode. Hope you like it guys. If more video, till then, bye.